Hey, what's up? My name is BJ Joyan para sa The Joyan Show. Let's talk about the PBA Governors Cup semifinals. In the first bracket is the Talk and Text Tropac Texters versus the Sunmix Super Coffee Mixers. And the second bracket, Rainer Shine Elasto Painters versus the Alaska Aces. Good luck po sa apat na kupunan na maglalaban-laban sa 2014 PBA Governors Cup. And batiin na natin ang De Guzman family led by Kuya Roland De Guzman at maging si Ate Hermie Mendoza De Guzman. Kasama ang mga anak nilang sila Hamia, Francine, and Hyacinth De Guzman. Batiin po natin si Tito Ferdy Pineda ng Baliwag Transit Bus Body number 1258. And of course, batiin na natin si Kuya Rogie Cruz, si Kuya Dondon Castro, Kuya Joji Tikya, at Kuya Ronnie Sarondo. Batiin na natin si Kuya JC Chon. At binabati na natin ang mga kabataan ng Baliwag Transit, especially kina Ria at Renel Pineda, Hyacinth and Hamia Francine De Guzman, MZ and Carla Velio, Emmanuel Baltazar, and of course, Sean Daniel Blanco, Judel and Jade Malilin. And batiin na natin ang mga kabataan ng mga 7-day Adventist sa North Bulacan 1 at North Bulacan 2. At batiin po natin ang Baliwag Adventist Church Choir, Linawan Adventist Church Choir at San Ildefonso Adventist Church Choir. At maging ang mga, especially yung mga taga San Miguel Adventist Church sa San Miguel, Bulacan. At syempre, higit sa lahat, batiin na natin si Kuya Tolitz De Castro ng M. De La Rosa Liner at si Tolitz De La Cruz ng Baliwag Transit. So, ito na naman tayo. Mga kaibigan, this has been BJ Joyan signing off. Panjesatro!